Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make sweet and sour tofu. This tofu also tastes crunchy. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a piece of tofu and cut it into small cubes. And then wrap them with starch. Add oil to the pan and put the tofu in. Make sure all sides are fried. When the tofu becomes golden, turn off the fire and get them out of the pan. Now prepare the sauce. We need 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of vinegar, 3 spoons of ketchup, 1 spoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of starch, and some water. Mix everything. Prepare the pan and pour the sauce into it. Don't forget to keep on stirring the sauce, because there is starch in it, so it is quite easy for the sauce to get burnt. When the sauce gets sticky, add the tofu in. Make sure every piece of them is wrapped with the sauce. In the end, put some white sesame seeds on them. Put the tofu onto a plate and this dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.